In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can add stickers on your Instagram stories. Now, let's begin. Click on your Instagram account, log into your Instagram profile. When you log onto your Instagram account, then what you want to do is click on the Your Stories at the top left and right side corner of the screen. Click on whichever post you want to add as a story. Click on the sticker icon at the upper and right side corner of the screen, or at the upper right and right corner. Click on any images or any logos you want to add to your Instagram stories. I'm gonna click on the heart emoji slide. I'm gonna type I love YouTube. When you click done, you will be able to slide the sticker anywhere you want on the screen. Then when you're done with the sticker, you can add it to your stories, and if anyone see it, somebody can just watch it and just slide the icon if they want to. That's how it's done. If that helps you out, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.